Healthy Protein Maggie. Take Maggie noodles 1 pack. Put white oil 1 tablespoon in the pan. Add boneless shredded chicken 1 full tablespoon. Stir for 1 minute. Add finely sliced carrot 1 tablespoon. Then add green peas 1 tablespoon. Fry and cook for 3-4 minutes. Sprinkle a pinch of Maggi masala. Fry for 2-3 minutes until all are cooked. Now time to make the Maggi. Pour water 1 big cup. Cover the pan to boil the water. After the water is boiled, add the Maggi noodles. Thank you for watching my video. Cover the pan for 2 minutes. Add the Maggi masala. Now add the cooked chicken, carrot and peas. Put off the gas. Transfer the Maggi to a bowl. Poach an egg in the leftover oil. Sprinkle a little salt and pepper. Add the poach on top of the Maggi. Spread roasted pumpkin seeds on top to make it crunchy. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Subscribe my channel, please.